So when you are expecting a new baby, whether it is your first one or your fifth one, I sort of think the process is the same. It's sort of thinking about the things that are important to you. So it's very easy to get sucked into, all this new mom stuff, and you need all these gadgets and you need all these products. But a lot of them are kind of extra. So getting ready for a baby, you should make sure you know who's going to be there to support you after the baby comes. Is it going to be just your partner, or is your family going to come? Who's going to help take care of other kiddos? If you have other children, when you go to the hospital and all that. I think it's important to think about what you want to feed your baby. Are you going to do breast milk? Are you going to do formula? Are you going to do a combination of it? And make sure that you know where you can go if you have any concerns with that, and ask your questions. Remember, your new baby needs a pediatrician or a general, practitioner, depending on where you are. And so make sure you've picked someone that you like, and sort of, I always say you want someone who understands the type of parent you are. We're all different when it comes to our kiddos. And some of us have different, wants and needs. And so it's important to sort of figure out that your doctor sort of goes with that, right? Especially here in the US, we see our pediatrician at least 6 or 7 times in that first year of life. And so if you're seeing somebody who you don't like, or doesn't sort of, agree with some of the things that you believe in, then it can be quite challenging.